And up the middle to Huff. He's got a hole and he's gone. Jaden Huff to the end zone. Touchdown, Huskies. Right side stuffed at the line, but he bounces off. And Liddell White with a burst of speed. He could go. Oh, no, probably not all the way. And he does. I take that back. But that
4 seconds. Cesar Cervantes with the ball. He'll dribble it out. The state championship trophy is back in Melrose. It's been a while.
Congratulations, teams. Please join the Minnesota State High School League and Wells Fargo in congratulating
Messman. No, it's actually direct to Brinker, and he's going to throw. He's looking, he throws. It's caught! Touchdown on 4th down for the Huskers. The left guard playing some quarterback. Red, white, and blue, so that just works right into it. Apollo gets going the other way. Gino Lucia centers all the way, shot, they score! Brandon Bissett.
Murray high slot. Now gets a better. Strength as Rao and Daly come out of the box. Trying to come out in front with Ray. Can't get the penalty. Murray going to the net. Or Morley. Brudzinski shot the flex. They score. Walking the goal line. Benning puts it in front. Brudzinski scores.
Prescott's got to circle in. 5 seconds left. 3 seconds left. Year 2015 Division II. Division II wrestling champion of St. Cloud State University, Tim Prescott. Tim Prescott's your NCAA Division II national champion. Woo-hoo! Carly Jeffrey open for three. Bang!
Not. It's over to Niehaus. Niehaus! And there, Boydress with a good seal there. Boydress will throw it down. Fortunately, an 8.
Nuggets hit hard. Goes over the glove. They're going to round first. There's one run in. Another run's coming. And the Huskies have tied it after a triple.
In the game, and the judge